Cliff Nicholson has been approved by the American Meteorological Society.
Oh, let's go upstairs and find Cliff in this hot weather. I'll tell you, the wind is blowing, the flag is blowing in the breeze here.
You know, we're complaining we want rain, but Cliff, I guess to the southeast, they really got whacked pretty good with some heavy storms this afternoon.
Boy, I'll tell you, heavy-duty thunderstorms there, and a severe thunderstorm watch was just issued for northwestern Illinois and southeastern Iowa there, so we have thunderstorms all around central Indiana, but we just can't seem to get them right into center here. But I think those odds are going to be increasing. Now today also I thought it was going to be just a little bit cooler. I think I went for a high of 86 degrees, and it got up to 91 again. There is a cold front, believe it, to the north of us, but it stalled just a little bit, and now it's starting to work its way a little bit further to the south. We've gone 13 days with no measurable precipitation. In other words, no rain over 1/100th of an inch. But you know, that 13 may be a lucky number because that could well be coming to an end. Well, let's take a look at our statistics for today. There's that high temperature, 91 degrees, 10 degrees above average for this time of the year. But again, look at the record. It's always been hotter. On this date, 1933, we had a high of 98. The low this morning, 69 degrees. Once again, no rainfall in the old rain gauge yet. The sun sets this evening, incidentally, at 8:10 and comes up tomorrow morning. If all goes well, about 5:17. Currently under a partly sunny sky, it is 90 degrees outside. The dew point temperature at 55. Our wind out of the northeast at 7 miles per hour. The barometer's headed down. Jack Parker, the photographer, up here on the roof with me, checking out the clouds. Now, if you go outside, with some of these clouds, you can see rays emanating down from the sun, and in meteorology, those are called crepuscular rays. Real pretty there, and I can see a few out here. You'd have to go outside and take a look. Of course, do that after the weather, because I want to show you radar here. Let's move along, take a look at Greencastle, our local automated weather station here, coming in with the warmest temperature that I've seen, 97 degrees, would you believe, over Jones Primary in Putnam County, down to 92 at this hour. As we take a look at radar, severe thunderstorm watch and a tornado watch over Missouri as well as Kansas. And once again, there is another watch that we just posted over Illinois and Iowa. And see that little jog in there? Don't worry about it, just a little computer glitch. Let me zoom in just a little bit closer here. Barb Gaynor of Westport down in Decatur County called in 0.8 of an inch of rain for us, and up to 5 inches of rain in 3 hours reported in Rabbit Hash, Kentucky, extreme northern Kentucky. And right now there's a flash flood warning out for southeastern Indiana in Switzerland County in the extreme southeast. If we check out Doppler radar at this hour, Jennings County, you folks down there, North Vernon region, you can see some heavy thunderstorms in that region, and they appear to be stationary at this point. Now, some other temperatures throughout the area, a little bit cooler up to the north, 69 degrees in South Bend, and one of the warmer right here in central Indiana, Indianapolis 90, of course, Evansville coming in at 85. Here are the cold fronts and frontal systems across the nation. This Canadian front still dipping down on us by tomorrow afternoon, and we'll see the temperatures begin to fall this evening as that front continues to push to the south, and along its path, showers and thunderstorms will start again erupting for tomorrow. It appears the heaviest rain will be in Illinois and Iowa. High temperatures tomorrow. Again, we had 80s and 90s throughout a good portion of Indiana, and we'll go to the 70s and 80s, it looks like, for Wednesday. So the forecast for this evening in Indianapolis, we can expect the possibility of an isolated shower or thunderstorm, a low temperature of 65. Tomorrow, partly sunny and cooler. Again, isolated thunder showers, a high near 80. By tomorrow night now, mostly cloudy. Storms are still possible. And then on Thursday, at this point, it looks like that's going to be our best chance of showers and thunderstorms with a high near 80 degrees. And our extended forecast into the weekend, hopefully it'll give us some rain in here Friday, maybe Saturday morning. But look at those temperatures. We're down to, for a change, unseasonably cool as opposed to unseasonably warm that we've seen today.
All righty, Cliff. Thank you. Sounds good if we can just get through tonight.